In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist. Whether you're planning your projects, managing daily tasks, or simply trying to get organized, Todoist is a highly effective tool that can help you streamline your to-do list and remember what needs to be done. First, let's start by visiting the Todoist website. You can do this by navigating to the Todoist homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean and intuitive interface. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll see the option to add a task. Click on this button and you'll have the ability to input your task details. This is where you can jot down whatever you need to get done, whether it's a simple task or part of a bigger project. Providing clear, descriptive names for your tasks can help you stay on track more effectively. After you've named your task, it's important to include essential details such as the date, priority, and any reminders you might need. Setting a deadline helps in keeping you accountable, while assigning a priority level ensures you're focusing on what matters most. Don't forget to hit Add Task once you've inputted all the details. To quickly find tasks, you can use the search feature. Simply click on the search bar and type in the task you're looking for. This is particularly useful when you have a long list of tasks and need to locate specific ones swiftly. Let's now explore how Todoist helps you stay organized with your plans. By accessing the inbox section from the left sidebar, you'll be able to see a comprehensive view of all your tasks. This inbox serves as a centralized hub for managing your plans, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. If you want to focus on today's workload, click on the Today view. This gives you an easy snapshot of what needs immediate attention. Similarly, if you want a glimpse into future tasks, the Upcoming section provides an overview of what's ahead, helping you better prepare for the days to come. Todoist also allows for a customized approach to task management with filters and labels. By clicking on these options, you can categorize and organize your tasks in a way that makes the most sense for you. This flexibility is particularly helpful for users managing several projects at once. Reviewing completed tasks is straightforward. Simply click on the completed section to see all the tasks you've finished, providing a satisfying reminder of progress made. To see all your projects, navigate to My Projects. Here you can view everything you're working on, which can help you stay organized and manage your time efficiently. If you're collaborating with others, the option to add a team allows you to invite your colleagues and work collectively. Finally, as you continue to use Todoist, you might find the need to use the highlighting feature. This can emphasize urgent tasks or notes you want to pay special attention to. That wraps up our guide on using Todoist. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering task management and enhancing your productivity with Todoist.